as everyone knows by now, the Bitcoin ETF is coming out. Off of that news alone, Ethereum shot up nearly 20% on the last couple of days. It's since pulled back a few percent. We saw highs of just under $1,900, and we are currently trading at just under $1,800 at $1,784. And so from here on out, we're going to assume that unless this gets announced that the ETF is coming out, that we are going to pull back just a little bit. As you can already see, we have been doing here today. And honestly, I want to show you guys a video here I saw on Twitter earlier today. And it is a video of short sellers in China absolutely plummeting the market today, just dumping all of their Bitcoin. And I just thought this was very interesting. And it just shows that a lot of this, based off of news, will, it'll just cause this huge crash. Well, I wouldn't really call it a crash, more of a correction. It will correct. All of this will eventually come back down and retest the support level. And here today, I want to talk about what those levels could be. And we're going to flip back over here to the charts. Currently, we're seeing a support around 1750. That is where I see the next support. That is just around the 120-day moving average. And that's something that we definitely want to consider. Another thing that is very interesting is you see how far down here on this chart, how far down this 20-day moving average is away from the 120-day moving average. So we obviously still have a very bearish market in the long term, as you can see on the chart, because we have not crossed the 20-day moving average with the 120-day moving average. So that's not a good sign as far as the long term. This just shows that, we are starting to break above and get some new highs that we haven't seen in a couple of months here. But honestly, what I want to see is us pull back here to a very safe support level and hold that support. And that's pretty much all we really need to see in order for us to start going even higher. What we don't want to see obviously here is that we pull on back to previous lows, and that we start making lower lows and lower highs. We want to be making higher highs and higher lows. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Honestly, I just want to do a quick update here because I haven't done a market update in a while, just because the market has been boring. I mean, really, we haven't seen any action for quite some time now. And now I'm just getting back into it, showing you guys this news and why it happened, and also this video of people short selling in China. Just thought it was very interesting, just watching them crash the charts. But yeah, anyway, stay tuned for more, guys. If you want to see another type of video, leave it down in the comments. Give me suggestions. Leave a like if you found value in this video, and thanks for watching.